Hello, student bears. I just wanted to wish you all the best of luck on your final exams that are just around the corner and share a few tips and tricks that you can use during the exam. In the physics formula book, it basically gives you all of the formulas and all of the constants that there are in the physics course. However, there are a few that are missing, and this is just a list of them. Some physics multiple choice questions are difficult to understand and to find the answer for, so sometimes the process of elimination is better, where you figure out that this cannot be the answer, this one can also not be the answer, and by that method you find out which one must be the right answer. And of course, it's a multiple choice question. You should always put something as your answer instead of nothing, because at least then you have a chance of scoring the points. In physics, there are a lot of parts where you can use your logical reasoning and common sense to figure out if your answer is right. For example, in a calculation question, maybe there was some flaw in your calculation, but that's okay, because then you can check over it again and maybe even get your marks back. If you don't remember how much a nanometer or milli or mega means, of course you can still check it on your calculator, because your calculator has these buttons. The calculator also stores many different scientific constants. Even though they are two very precise numbers, with many significant figures, you don't need to know that many, but I mean, you can still use them to help as a refresher in case if you don't remember a constant. And I cannot emphasize how much it is important to always remember units in your answers, because you need to put units when you have your answers done. If you don't include them, you might lose that final answer mark. Of course, physics is a very broad topic, so remember to read the questions carefully and check that you have done all that the examiner is asking of you. And again, most importantly, remember to relax and breathe. It is only an exam paper, and it doesn't define who you are. You're going to all do amazing, and I'm sure that you're going to put in your best effort and score the best that you can. Good luck.